Hi everyone, this is RK and you are watching Vivi Academy channel. Today we are going to discuss about a topic that is intensity of electric field on actual line. So here we are considering an electric dipole of charges minus q and plus q, which is separated with a distance of 2a, and let P be a point on the actual line. So this is the electric dipole on the actual line, means here we had considered a point P. Okay, and now P on the actual line and a distance of r from the midpoint of the this electric dipole. So once again we are taking consider an electric dipole of charges plus q and minus q, and a distance between these charges are 2a, and we have assumed a point P on the actual line which is at a distance of r from the midpoint of the dipole. So now we have to find the intensity of electric field upon actual line. So electric field upon actual line is equal to intensity of electric field at point P. So then it will be E actual is equal to E electric field and E minus Q. So electric field at the two ends of the dipole. So now let us find each and every point here, this one and this one, and if you do the algebraic sum, then you will get the electric field upon the actual line. So the electric field at point P due to charge Q. Due to charge Q. So first we are considering this one. So which is equal to EQ is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square. Okay. So along So you already know electric field is equal to Q1 constant into Q1 Q2 by R square. So here R square will be R minus A. See this one. R from here to here it is R, from here to here it is A. So R minus A whole square. In the same way, now due to minus Q, then it will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square along P. Okay, so we had calculated the electric field at this point as well as this point. So now net electric dipole. So net electric dipole will be E actual is equal to E plus Q, E minus Q. So it will be, if you have taken common, then we will get Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. So that is from here and here we have taken Q by 4 pi epsilon naught as common, and the resultant will be 1 by R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square. Remember this one, don't take it as a positive because it is a minus charge. So we have taken minus along OP. So you can say because of this one we got minus. Okay, then on simplifying we will get Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, and on taking LCM we will get 4AR by R square minus A square whole square. Nothing but this is A square that is so here we got E actual is equal to, so nothing but a net electric charge or electric field. E actual is equal to E plus charge, and that is plus E minus, that is equal to, when we had substituted the values, we got Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, which we had taken as common, and the remaining one is 1 by R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square along OP. So on solving that, which part is inside the brackets, that is 1 by R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square, we got 4AR by R square minus A square whole square. So this is a net electric field. Okay, so let us think, if R is much greater than A, so R is much greater than A, then we will get Q into 4A by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Nothing but, if R is greater than A, we will neglect the part A here. So then instead of A, we will take a R square whole square. Okay, so this will be R cube. Why? Because this R and R power 4 will get cancelled, and the remaining will be R to the power of 3 along OP. So then if you leave this like this, then also no issues. Otherwise you can substitute, since P is equal to Q into 2A. So then resultant will be E actual is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2P by R cube along O. Okay, so in this way we can find the intensity of electric field on the axial line.